What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby. By the dip. All right, guys. In today's video, I'm going to talk about ConocoPhillips. That's right, ticker symbol COP, COP. And they had earnings come out today, and they are some fantastic earnings. So I want to go over those earnings because that can translate over to MMTLP if we get our oil and gas assets to proven in the Oro Grande. So it's going to be huge for our dividend, and we're going to go over all the numbers that they're producing over there at ConocoPhillips and how that can translate over here to our Oro Grande project. And we're going to go over Fintel, crazy information of Fintel. The short bar fee is getting insane. Oil prices are high, so we got a lot to go over in today's video. And all I ask in return is for you to smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below, because you know it helps out that algorithm. All right, guys, so here we are on oilprice.com, and we've got to include the natural gas price because that is mooning right now as we speak as well. WTI crude oil is at $108. Brent crude is at $110.70. Check out the natural gas, $8.78, guys. This natural gas isn't even included in our dividend predictions. It's just natural gas. That's an added bonus. And at these prices, I believe Roller Pigeon said we were just on the MetaFam chat on Syntax, and I think these are the prices back in like 2008 or something. So a long time ago, we're seeing these high gas prices for natural gas, which will help our dividend because it's on the Torchlight land in the Oro Grande. So real quick here, MMTLP today is trading at $1.26, and average volume is 557,000 shares, and we trade at 206,000. So pretty low volume day for MMTLP, but the market had low volume everywhere. What I want to do here is ConocoPhillips produced their earnings today, and I want to run over some of the key highlights for you. So here you can see ConocoPhillips reports first quarter 2022 results, announces an increase in planned 2022 return to capital of $10 billion, and declares quarterly dividend and variable return of cash distribution. These are huge, guys. Check this out. The first quarter 2022, they reported $5.8 billion or $4.39 per share, compared to the first quarter of earnings of $1 billion or 75 cents per share. So huge increase. Excluding special items, first quarter 2022 adjusted earnings were $4.3 billion or $3.27 per share, and the adjusted earnings not $900 million and 69 cents per share. So I'm going to get down here to a couple of the key points on this here. And the main thing I'm going to talk about here is the special dividends going to be out for this. So ConocoPhillips, here's this quarterly dividend and variable return of cash. ConocoPhillips announced quarterly dividend 46 cents per share payable on June 1st to the stockholders of the record close May 17th. In addition, the company announced a third quarter VROC of 70 cents per share payable on July 15th. And you have to be a holder on June 28th. So there is a laundry list of first quarter highlights and recent announcements. And they do have down here, I got to find it, guys, sorry. Generated cash operates $5.1 billion from cash operations. Continue to integrate and optimize recently acquired Permian assets while efficiently and safely executing company-wide capital programs, delivering recorded production of 1,747 barrels of oil in the quarter. That is huge. Where was it at up here? Yeah, the 1,000, that's per day. It's like 1 million barrels of oil per day. Like I said right here, production of the first quarter was the 1,747,000 barrels of oil per day. So over 1.7 million barrels of oil per day. That's what ConocoPhillips is producing, guys. We have about 3.2 billion barrels. So we have a good bit of oil with 3.2 billion. They're producing 1.7 million per day. So we could definitely help out. Hopefully we could be Conoco. Hopefully it could be Chevron, one of the big boys. But I also wanted to point out here the year-to-date chart on ConocoPhillips because it's an oil stock. And if you almost go pull up any of your favorite stock, look at that year to date, you're going to see it down 30 to 80%. But ConocoPhillips in this terrible market is up almost 40%, up 39.43% in a huge bear market. Oil is skyrocketing. That is just only bullish for us for our dividend, in my personal opinion. If we get the 3.2 billion barrels of oil, proven production, MMTLP is going to freaking explode, and I'm so excited. Because oil companies are just banking right now, guys. All right. That was MMTLP. MMAT metamaterials today ended at $1.20, and we had average volume of 5.1 million, and we traded 3.2 million. Now, what I'm really excited here is to show you the Fintel information, and I really want to give you this information today because it's just getting better each day. The days to cover is now up to 16.66. That's how many days it's going to take for the shorts to cover. If they're going to need over 3 weeks, guys. Over 3 weeks now. We're approaching 4 weeks. We're talking about a month almost to cover. These are business days to cover. So it's only getting worse. Short squeeze score is increasing. 91.46. We are ranked number 73 out of 5,500 stocks. Short shares that are available at a leading prime brokerage is 40,000. So, guys, they have nothing. They're running out. Short borrower fee is at its highest in a long while, 18.62%. Let's freaking go. Does that not get you excited? 18.62% short borrower fee. It is getting expensive. As you see down here, we were at 9%, 10%, 9%, 11%, 13%, and jumps up over 5% today to 18.62%. That puts a smile on my face. Give you the thumbnail right there. But anyway, man, that's exciting because that's what we want to see. It's getting harder to borrow. It's getting harder to short. The shorts are running out of ammo. And as they keep doing this, that's going to keep going up. So the longer we hold this, that's going to keep increasing. FINRA short volume ratio is at a 60.24. There's guys, they're just shorting as hard every single day. If you see a day in the 50, that's almost like a slow day for them. We're used to seeing 60, 70, 80 in the FINRA. So if we see a 50, it's like a breather day. But that's still huge. Even 50% in the short volume ratio is unreal. Aggregate short volume ratio across the brokerages is 64.85. They're just not giving up. Yeah, guys, the shorts are not giving up. And that is all I got for you in today's video. YouTube has this new feature, apparently just came out today. And I did enable it on the channel. It's called a super thanks. I'm not sure exactly how it works. Maybe there'll be a new button down there if you wanted to send a donation to the channel or your favorite YouTuber if you're watching their videos. So if you're watching Smokey, Roller Pigeon, Allie, any other YouTubers that cover metamaterials, there's apparently going to be a way now, if you're watching a regular video, there's a way to send that content creator a super thanks. And trust me, guys, your help and your contribution to the channels help out a lot. Trust me, it helps us improve the channel with better cameras, better equipment, better lighting, better backdrops, things like that. I got soundproofing and stuff. So they go a long way, and I just want to say thank you all for your support. And I'll catch y'all in the next video, guys. Peace.